Hello students, we were doing Animal Kingdom. In previous lecture I have discussed tilt symmetry. Now comes to diploblastic organization. What is diploblastic organization? In which two embryonic layers are present, ectoderm and endoderm, means mesoderm is not present. This is exhibited by coelentrates. Diploblastic organization is seen in coelentrates. What is triploblastic organization? In which three embryonic layers, means mesoderm is present, ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Triploblastic organization is seen in Platyhelminthes to Chordata. All the phylums from Platyhelminthes to Chordata, there are three embryonic layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Now comes to coelom. What is coelom? Coelom is a body cavity between gut wall and body wall. Cavity between gut wall and body wall. What are coelomates? Coelomates are annelids, mollusks, arthropods, echinoderms, hemichordates and chordates. Coelomates are those organisms in which body cavity is present. Okay, what are pseudocoelomates? In which scattered pouches of mesoderm are present. Not body cavity is not lined by mesoderm, but scattered pouches of mesoderm are present. This is seen in Aschelminthes. Now Aschelmates, these are aphelomates. Aphelomates are Platyhelminthes in which body cavity is absent. This is seen in Platyhelminthes. Now page number 48 NCERT, you can see the figure. Coelomates, pseudocoelomates and aphelomates. In this, body cavity is present, lined by mesoderm cells. Pseudocoelomates, scattered pouches, you can see scattered pouches of mesoderm. In aphelomate, body cavity is absent. Okay, aphelomates are Platyhelminthes. Now segmentation. What is segmentation? Segmentation is seen in earthworm. Earthworm belongs to phylum Annelida. Earthworm, this is known as metamerism. Metamerism is body segmented. Segments are seen in the body of earthworm. This is metamerism. Now comes to notochord. Animals with notochord are chordates. Animals without notochord are non-chordates. Animals with notochord, chordates. Animal without notochord, non-chordates. Okay.